Hello everyone, welcome to my world, Bhavna Bites. This is me, Bhavna. The greatest ideas are the simplest. Let's simplify, let's explore what's in the trend, what's cooking, what's on my mind, what's happening in today's fashion world. Let's learn the good things and unlearn the bad. Let's discover happiness. Just one life. Live, love, love. My world, my rules, my YouTube channel. Lots of love. ఇంట్రో కాబట్టి మొత్తం ఇంగ్లీష్లో బిల్డప్ ఇచ్చాను. మన కంటెంట్ అంతా తెలుగులో ఉండబోతుంది. సబ్స్క్రైబ్.